It's that time again. Story time with Pastor and Peep. Here is Pastor Jeremy.
Well, hello friends, Pastor Jeremy and Peep. Yep, Pastor Jeremy and Peep here, ready to do another story time. I just love how much you all love story time. It is probably my favorite part of the day. So, today we have a new book, The Baby BeeBee Bird. Ooh, I'm a bird! I know you're a bird. And so is this person in this story. Well, the bird in this story. Right. Should we read it together? Okay, I'll help. Thank you, buddy. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. And they were tired. It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, as he settled down in his big bed of hay. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very, very still. Until... Beebity-bobbity, beebity-bobbity, beebity-bobbity-bobbity. What? Said the elephant. Is that? Bibbity-bobbity, 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 bibbity-bobbity. It's the baby BeeBee bird, said the giraffe. He is new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the lion. I want to sleep. They're all very tired. I know. Bibbity-bobbity, bobbity-bobbity, bibbity-bibbity, bobbity-bobbity. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the BeeBee bird. I'm wide awake. Uh-oh. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bibbity, bibbity-bobbity. Quiet, roared the lion. Bibbity-bobbity, 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 bobbity-bobbity. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. I think we have some... There it... Oh no, I dropped my book. Uh-oh. I'll get it. Here you go. Thank you, Peep. That was super helpful. Let's see. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the BeeBee bird. I sleep all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. Oh dear, said the elephant. I'm so sleepy. Oh. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. Quiet! Shouted all the animals. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. We can't sleep. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. All night long. Oh. I think everyone's going to be very tired. I think you're right, friend. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. Good call. What can be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me, the animals must be sick, he wailed. And he hurried away. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity, said the baby BeeBee bird, cheerfully, and then settled down for his morning nap. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity. The lion whispered to the bear. I have a plan, he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The BeeBee bird was at last asleep. Bibbidi bobbidi bobbidi bibbidi, roared the lion. Bobbidi bobbidi bobbidi, trumpeted the elephant. Bobbidi bobbidi, howled the bear. Bobbidi 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 bobbidi, sang all the animals together. Quiet, said the baby bird. Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap. Oh. BeeBee Bobby, yelled the hippo. BeeBee Bobby, shrieked the lions. BeeBee Bobby, thundered the moose with the water buffalo. BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby, they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. Something is wrong, he shouted. Something is very wrong with the animals. What shall I do? And he jumped up and down with alarm. BeeBee Bobbidi, sang the animals all day long. And the baby BeeBee bird simply couldn't sleep at all. Uh-oh, I know. BeeBee Bobbidi, BeeBee Bobbidi, BeeBee Bobbidi. The sun went down and the moon came up. Bobbidi bobbidi, whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. Bobbidi bobbidi, sighed the bear with his eyes closed. BeeBee Bobby, mumbled the elephant to himself. And then all was still. The moon shone down on a sleepy zoo. Not an ear or tail or whisker moved. They all look very peaceful. I think they're all finally getting some sleep. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. See that? Now they're all sleeping at the same time. And now every day at the zoo you can hear bobbidi bobbidi, BeeBee Bobbidi in between the lion's roars. Look, all up and awake and having a good time. Yeah. You know, my parents don't like it when I wake them up early. No, I don't really like it when my kids wake me up early too. But I know our friends at home are very respectful when other people are sleeping, because I think that's one of the lessons we're supposed to learn from today's story. Don't you think? Oh yeah, it's very important. Yes, being respectful is very important, especially right now when everybody has to stay home and we all have to be around each other so much. Remembering that other people have feelings and needs, and sometimes people are hungry when you're not hungry or sleepy when you're not sleepy, and that's okay. So we just remember all that. We treat each other with respect and love, because we love our families, don't we? Yes, we do. I think everything's going to be just fine. Oh, I think so too. All right. Well, thank you, Pete, for reading the story with me. Well, thank you, sir. And thank all of you for listening. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye.